How to create a Google Meet link on your mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to create a Google Meet link, first of all launch the Google Meet application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged in, tap on the new section or the new option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the create link option. Then tap on join. As you tap on join, simply tap on join yet again. So here, if you want to add other people to join your Google Meet, simply tap on the share invite over here. As you tap on share invite, it will share the meeting details with people. So you can select any of these media platforms over here. I've chosen Telegram. So as you tap on Telegram, it will take us to a Telegram page and then tap on send over here. So here's the link that you have created on Google Meet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.